Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks from Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet amigurumi doll free ideas. So please, you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas. Mind-blowing pattern. And most demanding crochet collection. Fabulous and trendy ideas. Beautiful summer light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful pattern. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, with cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet pattern. Very nice, most demanding crochet collection, different ideas, beautiful pattern. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.